beautiful friends, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Anna and today we're making strawberry lemonade. I love lemonade pretty much all year, but especially in the summer because it's nice and refreshing and is the perfect drink for a nice day outside, barbecuing, enjoying life and all the beautiful things in it. So that's why I'm showing you how to make it, because it's very simple. You only need some strawberries, as you can see already chopped mine. You're gonna need a little bit of granulated sugar and tons of lemon juice. Plus you're gonna need some ice, some water. That is it. So I'm going to add them right into my blender. I'm going to add about a quarter cup of water. That's gonna help them puree. Now we puree until everything is smooth. Okay, strawberry puree, it's ready, hopefully. All blended, yes. So this step is optional. I don't want any of the strawberry seeds in mine, so I'm going to pass it through sieve. Okay. That's done. Okay, let's get all of this out of the way. So I'm going to add the puree into my pitcher here. I use the same spoon to get everything out. And now we have to juice a bunch of lemons. So I'm gonna start juicing mine. Okay, I'm gonna add it right in the same measuring cup here. I'm catching the seeds with my hand. This is my last one. Now to the lemon juice, I'm going to add the sugar. I'm going to let it dissolve in there a little bit. And we add it right into the pitcher. You can adjust the sugar depending on how you like it. If you want more sugar, add more sugar. If you want less sugar, add less sugar. So I'm going to fill this with water. I'm going to add some ice, and then we're pretty much ready to serve. Okay, we got some ice. Okay, so of course if you have a bigger pitcher, you can make more and just adjust the measurements. I like to just sit for about, I would say, 10 to 20 minutes in the fridge. The strawberry puree is going to go down and it's going to sit on the bottom, and then you can really see the gradual effect of the lemonade. That's just personal preference. You really don't have to do it. So you can see around here, it's already starting to settle down a little bit. So I'm gonna pop this in the fridge, like I said, for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we get to serve it. Okay, so my lemonade was in the fridge, like I said, for 15 minutes. As you can see more of the gradual effect. I have my little cup here. I garnish it with obviously lemon slice and strawberry, just so people know it's a strawberry lemonade. I'm going to add a little more ice to my cup. I'm going to serve myself some delicious lemonade. And there we have it, our strawberry lemonade ready to go. I'm going to obviously give this a try. Oh, so bright, delicious, it's sweet. This is perfect. If you want the written recipe to know the measurements, make sure you check out my website, anitasdelightsrecipes.com. You can find a link in the description box down below. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.